Welcome back to NASDAQ Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at NASDAQ. We've been coming to you live from Crypto Evolved, hosted by Viable Markets. It is the industry's first cryptocurrency market structure conference. Joining me for this segment is Brian Wirtz. He's the Bitcoin banker and chairman of the Blockchain Advisory Group. Brian, thanks so much for joining us.
Hi, Jill.
Crypto Evolved. Tell us about how you got the name Bitcoin banker and, of course, the Blockchain Advisory Group.
Yes, sure. So I was the first investment banker on Wall Street to cover Bitcoin. I worked at Credit Suisse starting in 2013. I've been doing it ever since. So back in the day...
back in the day of 2013,
Back
right?
in the day, it was not a... it was a derogatory term. It was a Bitcoin banker was a joke.
Right.
It was silly internet money.
So what's your industry outlook as it stands now, flash forward 5 years?
Sure. So I mean, you see the global crypto markets are, $300-400 billion right now, and I think it could be much larger, in the trillions. Clearly, you see a little bit of regulatory discovery right now as things move from utility tokens to security tokens, but I think those will definitely take off.
All right, and what do you think financial markets will look like beyond that with crypto assets in play?
Sure. So, mainly what we're seeing right now is almost all hard assets that were offline are moving online now. So we're seeing a lot of crypto, asset-backed cryptos coming online. I think that'll be a big part of the market. There will be some algorithmic cryptos as well, but we'll see almost all of the world's hard assets be tokenized.
What happens in terms of next steps with development and institutionalizing it more? This seems to be a big theme here.
Sure. I think I talk a lot about there being 4 hurdles to institutional capital coming in. One is going to be education. I think that'll occur for the next 10 years or so, just like it was for the internet. This is very new. Second is custody. So once that institutional investor decides to make that investment decision, where will she or he hold it? The third one is liquidity. Once that institutional investor decides to make that trade, they also want to trade out because there's where the value comes, is having a liquid asset. And the last one is regulatory, mainly clearing.
Right. So what's your advice for financial industry participants that are looking to have digital assets as part of their strategy?
Sure. So, I think they should definitely start to dip their toe in the water. There's no better way than to make an investment. So if they have it in their personal accounts, go ahead and make some investments in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or just understand that on the retail side. That'll get them very comfortable. I think by this time next year, we'll have disruption, regulatory things come into place.
Brian, thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at NASDAQ.